This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello, what's up guys? Hope you all are well. So today I'm back again with another video. I hope you all like the last video. So for this video we are going to see that how we should use Nmap for version detection. So I hope you all guys are ready for that. So let's start today's video. So let's open our terminal. So first scan on today's list is to find the version. So for that use Nmap, scan with target. I'm just using nmap.org to make it ethical, so you can use this. So by this scan you can find the version of service running on the ports. So let the scan finish and see its result. It's going on. Yeah, so as you can see it's open SSH 6.6.1 P1 and it's also telling it's Ubuntu Linux. And so by this you can get your target's info, and also it may help you in exploitation. So let's move a little further with the scan. So by deciding its intensity level range, for that you can use nmap scanme.nmap.org and -sv and version intensity, and let's say to be 5. Yeah. Here the intensity level will control the probes that are used in version detection. You can select from 0 to 9. So let the scan complete. Okay, as it is completed, and we have our results. So as you can see we are also you can use nmap and scanme.nmap.org and -sv version -all. So what Nmap will do in this scan, it will try every single probe. So as you can see here, you are not getting that much results as you want, but because it's like a testing site, so here you will not find anything, but in your target you can get some juicy info, and which will definitely help you in your exploitation phase, or you can further recon on that. Okay, now let's move to a light mode of that same one. For that you can use nmap scanme.nmap and org and use -sv and version to be light. So as it will scan, it will not give a load to our target, so this scan is also considered, should be considered. So as you can see, and So let's move to the next one in our list. So that is OS detection. For that you can use nmap scanme.nmap.org and dash o. Sorry, it requires root privileges, so we go to, I think I have, okay. Now as we are root, so we should try it. And dash o, it's for OS detection. It will tell you which OS your target site is using, and it will also help you in exploitation and may get you some bugs, as you know that your target is running on this OS system, so you can further use the payloads for that OS. And I think, okay, so it has guessed I think it's using Linux. By that you can know that it's using Linux, but the version of that, it's 88%, because it's not uh, it will not tell you that the correct one that it's using this, but it will give you an idea that it may be Linux 3.8, that's 85%, and Linux 4.0 to be 88%. So you can get an idea from that. So what it will do is, Nmap tries to detect the OS of your target by sending up to 16 TCP, UDP and ICMP probes to the open and close ports of the target. So let's move to the next one. So the next one and the last in our list is like a gamer who is pro in his game. So that is nmap scanme.nmap.org and that is dash a. So what hyphen a will do here is that it will detect the OS, detect the version and scan for scripts, and also gives you the trace route. So as you can see how much Nmap is useful to you in your pen test, or you can also use it in bug bounties to get some info about your target. So you should use these commands. So let's see how much it is done. I think it's taking time, 32%. So it's about 83% done. And okay, like it's scanning, it has given us a huge data for that. I think, yeah, from here it's trying the scripts and given us the port, its open, its service to be SSH, its version and also SSH host key. So now it's another port, its state to be open, service to be HTTP, its version and some of its info, also TCP IP fingerprint, also your OS detection. So and it's giving host distance to be 15 network hops, but it's it may or may not be correct, and TCP IP fingerprint, and network distance, service info, OS to be Linux, trace route, and also much more. And so you can use this also on your target. You must use, I think Nmap is the best tool for port scanning, but and you should use this tool. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you all like the video. If so, please leave a like below and subscribe to my channel. So please subscribe. Till then,